friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your coach, Mr. Magnifico from Gravity 2. We are going to start another same module. It's module 4, but this is lesson. Oh wait, that was not a 4, that was an M. So it's module 4, lesson 4. And on this one, we are asked to solve this problem in this manner. Draw a tape diagram to solve. Express your answer as a fraction. So we got a tape diagram. We got to do that first. Okay, and notice that they give us the answer. It's 1/3. All we got to do is prove it. And they also set up the multiplication for us to check it. So let's write the problem. And here is the answer. So 1 divided by 3. So we're going to get 1. This is going to represent the 1. So all of this, the value of the whole thing is 1. Correct? Oh, yeah. Oh, well done. Excellent. And it says they have 1. Now I got to divide this 1 in 3 parts. There you go. And now we need to say how much is this part only. Okay? Because we don't know it. But now, if you look at this, how many units do we have? Let me highlight the units. This is 1 unit, 2 units, and 3 units. So we're going to say that 3 units equal, let me write this in words, 3 units equals 1. And the picture demonstrates the whole thing. 3 units equals the 1 on the whole thing. Okay? Now, 1 unit, what should 1 unit equal? Well, 1 unit is going to be 1 whole divided in 3 parts. And you'll say, well, where do you get that, Mr. Magnifico? From here. 1 divided into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3 parts. So there is right there. That's how I'm going to get the unit. And now we know that the answer is going to be 1/3. Because that's 1 divided by 3, which is the same thing as this right here, 1 divided by 3. So this equals 1/3. Now, let's see if that's true. So one of these equals 1/3 only. We're going to check with multiplication. So now we're going to check by multiplying. Correct? So now we're going to get the answer. What was the answer? 1/3. So the answer was 1/3, which is right here. And how many of those parts do we have? Well, we have 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's multiply that by 3. Oops. 3. And when you have a whole number and you need to multiply across, then you have to, the whole number usually has a denominator, and we add it to it. So we can multiply across. 1 times 3 equals 3. And 3 times 3 equals 3. And this whole thing equals 1. So 3/3 divided by 3 equals 1. Does that make the whole sentence true? Well, let's see. 1 divided by 3 equals 1/3. That is correct. That's what we found first. And we said that when we go backwards, which is this right here, again, this one says that you have 3 copies of 1/3, right? We already found it. I'm just showing it to you again. When you add them up, it goes 3 3s, 3 3s, which equals this number, which equals the number that was 1 divided by 3 equals 1/3. So when we multiply this times 3 He gave us a 1 as the answer, which is here. Okay, my friends, watch the video, listen to this amazing video, and don't be afraid of mathematics. Mathematics, you know, when you get mathematics, you're going to be saying like, so remember, find those moments in which you hear this. And the more you hear it, the better you will feel about yourself. Signing out from Studio 520, your coach, Mr. Magnifico.